The majority of people seek quick fix schemes, seeking external validations, and engage in meaningless activities. Would this help them grow? No. What about yours? Three pivotal factors that can shape your success or hinder your progress: your voice, your values, and your conviction. Your voice serves as a reflection of your personality, evolving with your experiences and insights. Your values guide you in making decisions and taking actions that align with your beliefs and aspirations, leading to a more meaningful life. Lastly, your conviction empowers you to manifest your desires and aspirations, propelling you towards new opportunities and experiences. Together, these three elements play a crucial role in shaping your journey and determining your outcomes. If you wish to know more about my free webinar, comment below me, then we will share more details. Thank you. Stay positive. Bye for now.